Ciao Tesla people. So I downloaded and installed Tesla Update 2025.32.6 yesterday, and I wanted to check if the bug that I found in the UI is still there. So the bug is pretty simple and pretty annoying. So if you go to the climate control panel, and I have the wipers up here. If I push this guy, it doesn't appear, but it's underneath, okay? Which means that when I push this, it should go down this and show you this. This is up, and also if I, for example, I have another up, for example, this guy here, if I push the wipers are here on the side, if I push the climate control, it goes on top, and let me show you again. Wipers, climate control goes on top, but the wipers are still here, okay? But this is okay because the wipers are here and the climate control has occupy all the whole UI, okay? But now, if I'm in this configuration that there are two apps, okay? The car and another app, any app, okay? And I have the climate control, and if I push the wipers, this climate control doesn't go down. I have to pull it down. Or, let's see, or I have to push again this down, okay? But the wipers are down here. So that's the UI bug, typical one. If you've done UI development, you know this. Basically, there is a stack, and when you pull up an UI, the one that was there for an app, it should leave, should be gone, and the other one should be on top, okay? So, you know, it's at least a year that I'm mentioning these issues, but nobody's taking care of it. Probably they don't care, they don't see it, they don't know it. Anyway, if you think it's a bug, I think it's a bug, but just share this video with others so that others can comment on it and share their point of view. Also, I see some other UI things that might be a bug, but reality could be a priority, a choice from Tesla. So I didn't make a video about it. But this one is clearly a bug, okay? Because you have to click other icons to make sure that the app that you want to select is on top of the previous ones, but in reality it's not. Anyway, share with Tesla if you can, comment on it. Please check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code, you can get a discount. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.